Okay, everyone. So let's answer the question, what's the Bible verse for struggling relationships? Bible verse for struggling relationships. 10. Let's ask for 10. Okay. First one. Is it 10? Okay. It's 10. First one. Let's zoom in, right? Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgive you. Interesting. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 to 5. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Matthew 7 verse 12. So in everything do to others what you would have them do to you, for this sums up the law and the prophets. Colossians 3:14. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Proverbs 15:1. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but harsh words stirs up anger. Wow, this is powerful. This is powerful. This line here. Okay? Galatians 5:22 to 23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self control. Against such things there is no law. James 1:19 to 20. My dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry, because human anger does not produce the righteousness that God desires. Powerful. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 8. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers all multitude of sins. Romans 12 verse 18. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live peace with with everyone. Okay. And last one, therefore, if you are offering your gift at the altar and there remember that your brother or sister has something against you, leave the gift in front of the altar. First go and be reconciled with them, then come and offer your gift. Wow, I love this. Okay, guys, I hope this answer your questions. What are the verses for struggling relationships? Have a great day.